Bitcoin is retesting the symmetrical triangle right now, and in this exact video I will talk about the most important consolidation phase. I will talk about this pattern retest. I will talk about the most important levels to be watching right now, and many more important stuff we need to discuss on today's update video, because still Bitcoin is consolidating below resistance. And in this exact video I will talk about what could be happening next for Bitcoin. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it back above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the price action. And once looking at Bitcoin, for the past 14 days we've been basically consolidating sideways, and there's almost been no action in the price action of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been ranging between the lows of $29,000 and the highs of 31.2k. Basically what I've been saying for quite a while, as soon as we do break above any of these regions, we will start to see big moves. But just like yesterday, we were retesting the top side, but we just saw another rejection. On the imminent short term, we can currently see that we're creating some small little upward sloping support lines, and potentially we could see some more bounces from all of these levels, and potentially Bitcoin can still see a retest of the highs right now. But so far nothing really has been happening, and you can see it also on the 4-hourly time frame. Bitcoin is basically consolidating after it pumped more than 25% towards the upside. I mean, if Bitcoin moves up 25% towards the upside in just a matter of 2 days, it is actually also nice to see some consolidation, and that is exactly what we're seeing right now. One thing to take into account is that the classic stock market is actually moving up here, while Bitcoin is moving sideways. And the last time that happened right here, Bitcoin after that took a significant rally towards the upside. So maybe something similar could be happening again, but basically exactly the same like the 1-hour time frame. In order for me to call right now we're going to have to break out, I need to be seeing a break above the range high or either the range low if I were to be calling for newer lows in the market. So that is what I will be looking at on the imminent short term. For the 4-hourly time frame, you can actually see as well, we're creating that upward sloping support line right now here, while in fact we are also clearly seeing where we are getting rejected from. So Bitcoin could also be creating an ascending triangle that could be breaking out anytime soon here. So there are multiple patterns you could be looking at right now, but one thing is for sure, Bitcoin, its price action is getting squeezed in more and more. And basically if you're looking at the 4-hourly time frame, you could also argue, okay, we're right now looking at a retest of the symmetrical triangle breakout. You can see we created that symmetrical triangle. We had that beautiful downward sloping resist line. We basically got rejected by this level 3 times in a row, and after that we broke above it, and right now we're finally seeing this very important retest right here. So let's see how it is going to be playing out here, but this is of course a super important level where we should be paying attention towards. And of course I won't be surprised that Bitcoin is actually going to be bouncing from off this level. So Bitcoin right now bouncing from off this level, and if I will be looking at the price target, you actually always want to be longing the retest, and from off the retest the price target is going to be somewhere around $32,000. So let's see how this is going to be playing out. But currently Bitcoin is experiencing a perfect retest on the symmetrical triangle. You could also argue we're seeing a perfect retest on the bull flag scenario for Bitcoin that also broke out here. So far things are actually looking still quite okay, and you can clearly see we're still creating that small little uptrend right here on that 4-hourly, on that 6-hourly, on basically every single time frame for Bitcoin. We're still creating a minor uptrend right here, and as long as we can hold the uptrend, Bitcoin is going to be remain to look a little bit more stronger on the imminent short term here. Furthermore, we can see that I'm still long on Bitcoin. I mean, so far I've not taken any profits yet so far, because I've been saying it for quite a while here. I'm still expecting Bitcoin is probably going to go much higher, and right now we're just seeing consolidation before big explosive move here for Bitcoin. So yeah, that is the reason why I'm still long on Bitcoin. Of course, subscribe to the channel, because soon I will be opening up a new trading account with $100,000, and I'm going to show you guys all my trades on that account as well, and I'm going to show you how much money I can make from a 100k account. And of course this trade as well, I showed it on the channel once I was on loss and once I am in a profit. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date about all my trades here. And of course, if you want to be trading yourself, don't forget to go to the link in the description, because you can currently claim a free $1,000 long or short position on Bitcoin or XRP. All you need to do here is go to the link in the description, sign up an account using the link above, deposit $100 within 7 days, and enjoy your free $1,000 Bitcoin or XRP position. It's a super valuable deposit bonus. It's only valid for another 26 days here, so make sure to be quick and claim your deposit bonus right now. Furthermore, we can see on the daily time frame that Bitcoin is currently retesting this most important horizontal level, and you can see as well that we're still creating that upward sloping support line. So if Bitcoin were to go down and see that rejection rejection, the levels where I would be starting to be buying more Bitcoin is going to be around the upward sloping support line. So if we do get the chance to, of course, long Bitcoin around this level, I will definitely take it, and it will definitely keep you guys up to date about that one as well. And of course, it's super simple. If we're looking at the support and resistance map, we were all along expecting that Bitcoin was going to be bouncing from $24,000, and the entire time while we were trading at the lows, I said it already, the resistance to break and where we are probably going to see a lot of struggles is going to be 31 to 32,000 US dollars, like we have seen in the past. So once again, we're seeing resistance getting created for Bitcoin, and the moment we do break above this level, that is the point where Bitcoin could go once again very exponential. And of course, the next price targets are going to be around 36 to 37,000 US dollars, since like you can see, that are the lows of the previous range here. So that is where we'll be looking at if Bitcoin is going to be breaking the 32,000 US dollars. And yeah, from this point onwards, that's going to be another 21% move towards the upside, and that would mean that we are going to literally make tons and tons of money from our Bitcoin long position. And that is why I'm going to continue to hold it open, since the trend is your friend till it ends. And of course, if the trend swaps around, you will be the first one to know here on the channel. You can see as well the 3-day time frame, Bitcoin is currently retesting the most important resistance in this entire trend, and if we will be able to break above it, it's going to be super bullish for Bitcoin. And of course, so far we've not done it, but as soon as we do break above this level, it's going to be super strong. For as well the cup and handle scenario, you can see that Bitcoin is getting rejected by this super important level of resistance right here. Basically every single time we see a rejection from the 30.6k on the 3-day time frame, and as soon as we do break above it, we're going to confirm the breakout of the cup and handle pattern. And as well, if I'm just looking purely at the daily time frame, we can currently see Bitcoin is trading in an uptrend, and the main resistance to break is this range right here. And as soon as we do break above it, then actually we can start to see everything go exponential once again here. So that is what I will be looking at. Thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. There's not a lot of stuff to talk about right now here. Only then that we're currently seeing this retest on the 4-hourly time frame, and that we're potentially creating this ascending triangle on the 4-hourly time frame, right? So that was it for me in today's update video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.